I'd like to address the issue of coloring on your infographics. That was the title of a presentation. We call it the Robbins College of Business and Entrepreneurship now because of W.R. Robbins' contribution. But he gave a presentation. This was the original slide. Notice it's a light background, white, so he's using dark print, in this case black. This would be very difficult to read. It's a light coloring, a light font on a light background. It's very difficult to read. The correct way would be dark on light or light on dark. Here's his original slide. Notice everything, the bullets are there. Everything's aligned. He has a space between each line because it makes it easier to read. This would be wrong. It's taken away the readability of the document. Those are just two little things I noticed. Overall, you all did a great job on your infographics.